use the ventilator to pump oxygen in. Measure the heartbeat for the baby. Check the wound.
Oh my gosh!
Don't worry, it will be all right. Drink a little milk. Inject the medicine. Take a vitamin. Put a bandage on the wound.
Thank you, Dr. Lisa. Excellent!
Whoa! Ta-da! Woo-hoo-hoo! Amazing!
The helicopter is so small. How do I climb it?
Today, we will build a really big hospital with lots of equipment. Complete the house frame from colored paper and cardboard. I hope you like it. Woo-hoo-hoo! First, make the stairs. Next, make the cabinet. Glue it. Assemble the cardboard pieces to create the cabinet shape. Make the first aid kit. So cute! Make the medicine bag. Yay! Make the medicine boxes out of clay. Make the first aid bag. Cut the clay in half. Whoa! Face mask. Make the table. Make the chair. Make the computer. Flatten the piece of clay. Then cut the clay into a square shape. Make the nurse's uniform out of clay. Make the hanging cabinet. Assemble the cardboard pieces together.
Doctor, please check my teeth.
What's wrong, Kitty?
My teeth hurt a lot.
Great news! Your teeth are perfect.
Thank you, doctor.
Make the bed. Glue it to the cardboard. Make the headboard. Draw the headboard on the cardboard. Cut along the drawing. Make the mattress. Glue and add cotton on top. Cover the cotton and cardboard with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Make the notebook out of clay. Flatten the piece of clay with a hard plastic sheet.
Excellent.
Make the heart rate monitor. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the wheelchair. Wonderful! The house is complete.
to eat at the hospital, Lisa? The helicopter is so small. How do I climb it?
Oh no!